Dear fellow travelers on the spiritual journey, today I want to share with you one of the universe's most mysterious secrets, Nikola Tesla's 369 theory, and how you can apply it to your life. When used correctly, the energy and power of these ancient numbers can help turn your thoughts and intentions into reality. Let's take a step together into Tesla's method and unlock the energy that can transform our lives. Nikola Tesla, a scientist who believed that the universe is made of energy, frequency, and vibration, was convinced that the numbers 3, 6, and 9 held the key to the universe's deepest secrets. He famously said, "If you only knew the magnificence of the numbers 3, 6, and 9, you would have the key to the universe." These three numbers play a crucial role in Tesla's theory. Let's take a closer look at their mystical and mathematical meanings. Number 3 represents creative energy and the cycles of life. In many religious and spiritual traditions, the number 3 is considered sacred, symbolizing the foundations of creation and the power of growth. Number 6 represents balance and the connection to the material world. It signifies harmony between the physical and energetic realms. Number 9. Tesla saw 9 as the most powerful number, representing universal energy. Mathematically, 9 always returns to itself, symbolizing completion and wholeness in the universe. How to apply Tesla's 369 method now? Let's explore how you can use these numbers to bring positive changes to your life. The 369 method is a powerful tool to manifest your intentions and align with universal energies. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Set your intention. The first step is to clearly define what you want to manifest. Decide what you truly desire and phrase it in a positive, present tense statement. For example, I am living a healthy life, or I have the job of my dreams. 2. Morning. Write it 3 times. Each morning, write your intention 3 times. This step activates the creative energy of the universe. While writing, focus entirely on your intention and believe that it has already come true. 3. Midday. Repeat it 6 times. At midday, repeat your intention aloud 6 times. This step helps balance the energy and deepen your focus on your intention. Speaking it out loud strengthens your thoughts and raises your energy. 4th evening, write it 9 times before bed. Write your intention 9 times. This final step is crucial as it releases your intention to the universe and completes the process. As you write, feel as though your desire has already been fulfilled. Repeat this process for 21 days without interruption. 21 days is a critical period for forming new habits and embedding this intention into your subconscious mind. During this time, maintain your focus and belief in your goal. Dear fellow travelers on the spiritual journey, as you incorporate this powerful 369 method into your life, you will begin to notice how your energy aligns with the universe and how your desires gradually come to life. Remember, patience, belief, and focus are the keys to this process. As you follow these steps each day, you will discover your inner power and experience a profound transformation in your life. I truly believe that each of you has the power to create your own reality on this journey. Stay in love and light,